Prashant Jain of HDFC AMC in order to just garner a perspective as to what his outlook is on the Indian markets, where we stand right now, sectors that have promise, and what he believes is the correct way to go about investing. Well, he's of the view that the ongoing rally has certainly taken people by surprise right now, but the economic outlook is certainly better post-COVID than what it was pre-COVID. In terms of the macros, the low interest rates are likely to power the Indian markets further, and the low oil prices as well seem to be working to our advantage. Emerging markets, he believes, are typically exporters to developed markets, and that's the trend that he sees. In terms of reforms that have bode well for us, the Make in India, the PLI scheme, he believes, will really aid India's manufacturing abilities. The most difficult reforms that he believes have been carried out during times of crisis, and in fact he is very optimistic on the macros and sees double-digit growth in 2021. As of now, he believes that it's the best time to build up significant infrastructure. He's seeing a sharp improvement in the profitabilities of companies in India and believes that the significant cost saving that has been undertaken will really bode well. Equities, he believes, will deliver better returns than bonds in the medium term, and he believes that a lot of large firms have gained share from the unorganized sector. Prashant Jain is also of the view that as of now, there's no clear view on the trajectory for inflation, but he believes that there is a definite change when we see the overall strategy when it comes to the PSU divestment. In fact, he believes that robust demand for many stocks will be seen which are currently undergoing the strategic divestment, and he's a firm believer that the markets will eventually price assets very appropriately. Pharmaceutical stocks, he believes, were extremely expensive way back in 2013-14, but the time again now is for sectors like IT, which is very globally competitive, but he believes that there is strong growth that is being seen in this sector. The world really wants to reduce its over-dependence on China, and therefore India has a strong opportunity. Work from home has encouraged plans to increase offshoring, reduce costs, and a lot of the concerns, according to Prashant Jain, around retail asset quality of banks and NBFCs are currently there, but he believes that banks can certainly manage the NPA concerns. PLI has a very positive impact on this sector, and the economy is seeing a good recovery as well. He's not really believing that we're seeing any bubble in emerging markets as of now. Sharp but temporary corrections cannot be ruled out in the Indian markets. Stability in the taxation policy, that's going to be watched out for from a budget standpoint, and he believes that if valuations are not excessive, then returns on investment will be decent. Certain sectors are extremely expensive from a historical perspective, but he believes that markets present several significant opportunities for the value conscious buyer.